The error of imaginary causes. Starting out from the dreamland, we find that to any definite sensation, like that produced by a distant cannon shot, for instance, we are wont to ascribe a cause after the fact. Very often, quite a little romance, in which the dreamer himself is, of course, the hero. Meanwhile, the sensation becomes protracted, like a sort of continuous echo, until, as it were, the instinct of causality allows it to come to the front rank, no longer, however, as a chance occurrence, but as a thing which has some meaning. The cannon shot presents itself in a causal manner by means of an apparent reversal in the order of time. That which occurs last, the motivation, is experienced first, often with 100 details which flash past like lightning, and the shot is the result. What has happened? The ideas suggested by a particular state of our sense are misinterpreted as the cause of that state. As a matter of fact, we proceed in precisely the same manner when we are awake. The greater number of our general sensations, every kind of obstacle, pressure, tension, explosion in the interplay of the organs, and more particularly the condition of the nervous sympathies, stimulate our instinct of causality. We will have a reason which will account for our feelings thus or thus. For feeling ill or well, we are never satisfied by merely ascertaining the fact that we feel thus or thus. We admit this fact. We become conscious of it only when we have attributed it to some kind of motivation. Memory, which in such circumstances unconsciously becomes active, adduces former conditions of a like kind, together with the causal interpretations with which they are associated, but not the real cause. The belief that the ideas, the accompanying processes of consciousness, have been the causes, is certainly produced by the agency of memory, and in this way we become accustomed to a particular interpretation of causes, which, truth to tell, actually hinders and even utterly prevents the investigation of the proper cause.